up, everyone? All Pro Exterior Services here with another nice looking property we got. Got the rig just pulled up. Last job of the day. We couldn't get no video footage. Had some issues with camera, but anyway, it's not a bad house. On the other side, north side, got some algae. We just doing the house wash. They got a little deck in the back, so we're gonna hit that too. But let me take you around the property over here. Yeah, it's gonna come out nice. Again, it's not really that bad. So hit the dormers, show you the north side of the house. Yeah, we got a bunch of pollen that's falling here, and you can see it, it's yellow. I'll show you. It's all yellow. Well, that's some oxidation too, but it's all yellow. But that's going to all come off nice. So we hit the side quick, hit it quick. Let me put some hoses. Be back with you shortly. Right, everyone, waiting on water. It's a well, so we're probably getting about 4 or 5 gallons per minute. So we're gonna let it build up a little bit more. Tony's still on property protection, so we're still a little early. Just hooked up the hose, so we're good. And I'm gonna go with that M5 twist today. But I'm also gonna pack this, the Davis shooter tip, J-Rod with the Davis shooter tip, because it is a little breezy out, and this seems to get a little bit more of a streamline. So we'll have that rolling, and we're going to be running, let's see, straight SH. We're running, let me see, on the other side. Give you guys an update on where we at on bleach. So we're at 30 gallons. 30 gallons, straight SH through the downstream remote box with the 9 gallon a minute machine. We're going to go ahead and take care of the house first. Not much property, it's all vinyl, so it's a fairly easy job. And then there's a deck in the back that we need to hit. So anyway, I'm gonna get this thing, get some water in it, and we're gonna get it cranked up and move on and get some footage of that. Thanks, guys. Guys, got the beast rolling, just getting this fence a little wet here. And I actually idled it down a little bit. I talked to Russ Johnson. He mentioned that, yeah, if you idle it down, you may pull a little bit more soap. I haven't did a test on it, but so we'll see. But I'm gonna soap this back real quick. So let me hit soap on. Soap's on. Again, you can soap and rinse so quick with this 9 gallon, 9.5 gallon, whatever it is. It's so crazy. So we should be getting soap here in a second. There we go. Soap. See? I mean, look. It don't take much. Again, it's windy here, so. But the extra volume out of this machine also helps. You know. I know it's kind of hard to explain it, but until you see it, and touch it, feel it, and you know. I think the best thing I like so far is that shooter, unloader. That thing, I don't know how I did it for so long without, I didn't know no better, but now I'm gonna switch that other one. I haven't done it yet with the K7 unloader. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hit. We'll do a rinse here in a minute. All right, peace. All right, guys, I soaked this out with the M5 twist. I'm gonna try to hit it with the M5 twist instead of the Davis shooter tip. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting no problem. I thought the wind would be a little worse. Yeah, it's just coming off. I mean, so much more efficient. It's just hard to, you know, I know I keep saying that, but it's just so hard to believe that much, you know. And I know my boy Joe Deary, he went up to the 5.5, which is a big up step for him as well. And that's, I honestly think a 5.5 is a really good machine for house washing. I do. The only reason I built mine is because I'm getting a lot more groundwork, and it seems to help a lot better with the groundwork. So yeah, we're getting all these little nooks and crannies. And by the way, this is a customer that's going to come back, so you got to make sure you do that excelente job. Property protection always. Clean all your nooks and crannies. And Tony's, normally what I got Tony doing behind me is that he goes behind me and looks if there's anything that, you know, poking out. He goes ahead and takes care of that. So anyway, I'm gonna get finished this. We're gonna head to the front when we're done with the house. So all right, peace. Last section of the house. Yeah, I'm gonna try to soap this side and rinse it real quick. So keep an eye on that, Tony. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock this one last side out, and we're done with the house. We just gotta hit the surface cleaner. So We all ran a problem with a little bit of water. That's why I said earlier, hey Anthony, get a bag. Come here. Hurry up. This is why I said earlier in earlier videos that we need to carry a little bit more water, because we do have some rural areas around us. Not much, but we do. And when we do, we run into this. So I'm going to go ahead and soap this side while Anthony does some property protection over there. But you can see the difference right there. This is the north side, obviously, so get a little bit more. So we got soap. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Just sweat it and forget it, baby. So, yeah, we got to carry a little bit more water, but I really don't want to do that. You know, I mean, I hate waiting on water too. That's the problem. Yep. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and soap and rinse this out. We'll get on some surface cleaner here shortly. Peace. All right, everyone. Just a quick update. We're waiting on water, and we did the house. Just waiting to surface clean. Got to surface clean the back patio area, so I'll turn the machine down. Let it. No sense of running it fuel. We're gonna go ahead and get some water in here, fill it up about halfway, and start the process so we can get rolling. Got some yard signs obviously out here. It's not a big deal, but kind of far out to come back and get it. So got some opportunity out here, as you can see. Anytime we do this, we try to do it. The later jobs, the better. Even on weekends, we like working on weekends because it draws the neighbors out. The sounds of the machines. The neighbor comes out and says, "Oh, geez, my neighbor's getting his house washed. I got to get mine washed. I can't have mine dirty." So you can see here, glowy caps of magma. That's a good opportunity. That's a roof job and a house wash. That's nasty. Doesn't look like they take care of it, but there'll be some opportunity back here. Not bad. Beautiful property, beautiful out here. It's a little bit in the country. It's about 35 minutes away from us, out in bush, but it's very nice. So we got Anthony undoing property protection while we get the tank filled up and go from there. Anyway, story of the life. Sometimes you gotta wait on the water. We'll get there soon. I'll get back to you in a second. Peace. All right, guys, we're done. Again, this is how I shut down my machines. I leave the ball valve open, so it's drawing water. Idle it down, let it cool down, and then kill it. And the reason why it's so loud is because of the injector. But again, talking with Mr. Deary, I'm gonna put a bypass in here, mainly so when I'm surface cleaning with this, I could just do this and bypass the injector. But I'm not gonna be putting a remote on it or nothing. I'm gonna continue to use that, and I'm also gonna do. I got another downstream, well, another injector for this reel, and I'm gonna put a little three-way ball valve just like this. So if I want to downstream with this, I can just switch it to, you know, either way to the bleach line. So I don't have to run another bulkhead with a bleach line. So I can do it either way. So that's the plan at least. So anyway, all right guys, let us get unplugged and we'll wrap up here in a second. Heading home. 6 o'clock. Almost home. Thanks for watching, liking, subbing, calling. Today's my anniversary, which I forgot about. I was reminded this morning, so I gotta find a flower shop on the way home. So anyway, we got some more work. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we get a break and we'll be back at it Thursday. All right guys, catch up. Peace.